and welcome to Lily's Kitchen. So today we're going to be making some delicious breakfast burritos with a little bit of spice and sweetness to it, along with some hash browns. So very excited about this. If you want to watch the short version, the version is not so long, not such a long video, and just shows you the ingredients and how to put it together, then click the link in the description below or click the link that should be shown on the screen here. If you want to watch the whole video and then see the entire process of how I make everything and go into depth a little bit more, then continue watching this video. So let me go ahead and show you our ingredients that we are going to be cooking with today. Okay, so here are the ingredients. We have bacon here. I have 4 strips per burrito, cilantro, as well as a few sweet peppers here, 2 rustic potatoes that I've already rinsed and washed thoroughly. And we have our tortillas here. So I have jalapenos, I have heirloom tomatoes, some cheese that's like a Mexican blend cheese, along with 3 eggs. May use another one depending, and there's cream cheese here and some butter as well. Now for the ingredients that go, we have some regular hot sauce, any kind you want. I have some agave here. This is our lemon pepper. This is cayenne pepper. This is parsley. This is onion powder, garlic powder. We have some chili powder here, seasoning here, and red chili pepper flakes, black pepper, and sea salt. And then here's my, I'm gonna show you what I would do with that later. Dump these in and we get a nice sizzle. There we go. I need to. Now watch what happens. This is what you want your eggs to do. If your pan is too low, it's not going to happen. Push to one side, pull to the other side. Push and pull. Circle, push and pull. Now I'm turning it down to a low, and I'm just going to push the eggs around. Before they get done, let's go ahead and add in cheese. Okay, that's what you want it to look like. Push. Pan must be hot, otherwise this is not gonna happen. And I'm gonna actually switch over to a fork. So now, push and pull the eggs. Now you can take a fork and start to bottom side down, and we're gonna just lay it in the pan like that. I'm gonna take the other one and do the same thing, just like that. And so I'm going in. I love the taste of the peppers and the crunchiness of it. You know, that's why I don't saute them before. Slow down. But the bacon mixed with the eggs and the combination of the sweet agave or honey or whatever you choose to use with the hot sauce is just perfect blend.